Hi guys, so today we're going to do a practice for upper body strength and we're going to start right away. But please, the only way to keep this channel running is by you hitting that button, subscribe and like this video. Please, is the only way that we can maintain the running of this channel. So we're going to start straight away. So we're going to go on hands and knees. And then from here we're going to extend the legs into a plank. So from a plank position, this is the first exercise. Knees close to the floor, hips close to the heels. That's the exhale. On the inhale, you're going to come forward into a plank nice and slow. We're going to do 10. Inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 5, 8, and 10. Now from plank, we're going to go into downward dog. So we're going to lift the tailbone, come into a V shape. Inhale and exhale into plank. I'm going to do 10 of those. Inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 7, 9, and 10. Now we're going to separate the feet a little wider. From a plank position, we're going to roll all the way to the inside and outside of either foot. Come into one arm, open the chest, come into a side plank, arm to the sky. Inhale here and exhale, come back to center. Inhale other side. Exhale, come back to center. That's one round. We're going to do 10. Open, center 2. Open, center. Open, center 3. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. From plank, we're going to go back to downward dog, but as we go into downward dog, we take one hand and touch or reach to touch the opposite foot. Inhale to plank, and exhale, we do the other side, hand to the opposite foot. So center to plank, inhale, touch, exhale. 1, touch. 2, touch. Inhale forward, exhale back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now from plank, we're going to inhale, and on the exhale we take one knee and we bring it in towards the center. On the inhale we come back, and on the exhale we do the other leg, bring it in nice and slow with control. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 6, 8, and 10. Now from a plank, we inhale. And as we exhale, let's do the left first. We bring left forearm down and then right forearm down. And on the inhale, we come left and right. Yeah? Left, right, left, right. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Now let's do right, left, right, left, right, left. Inhale. Exhale. Right, left. Let's do one more. Good. So the next one is on the forearms. So you come into a forearm plank. Lower. Open the chest to stretch. And on the exhale, lengthen tailbone, lift the hips. For 10, nice and slow. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Stretch. Exhale. Engage. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to come into a side plank, so feet a little wider so that we can roll just like we did before. We extend the arm to the sky, and then on the exhale we roll back into the balls of the feet and we take the top arm and stick it through on the body on the floor and reach. Inhale. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Other side. Open, extend the arm, and on the exhale, reach through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 10. I'm going to go into a side plank on the other side. Lift the arm to the sky. I'm going to lift the hips on the exhale. On the inhale, we're going to lower for 10. 3, 5, 8, 9, and 10. Other side. 2, 3, 10. Going to a plank, we're going to hold it. Lengthen tailbone towards your heels, engage your core, leave the space between the shoulder blades, and breathe. Halfway there. 3 more breaths. 1, 2, 3. Good. Lower down. Whew. Well done. Come sit with your legs in front. Lie on your back. Extend the legs. Let your arms relax, your legs relax. Let your breath relax. Shoulders relax. Hips relax. Let your whole body relax. Stay here for at least a minute. There is no minute maximum time. You can stay here for 2, 3, 5, 10 minutes, as long as you want. At least a minute to help you relax and gather your strength.